Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Last time we looked at how can you perform the VLOOKUP function. This time we're going to look at how can you combine two values or text that are in different columns or different cells into one cell. So what we have here is we have first name and last name. We have to use certain functions to combine them into full name. So there are two functions I'll be showing you today. One is concatenate, and the other one is using the ampersand function. So concatenate formula, as any other formula, starts with equal to sign, equal to con, then select concatenate. Automatically bracket has opened up. You have to select the first text. So first text is Cristiano, comma, select the second text, Ronaldo, and I'm closing the bracket and enter. Then, like how I showed you in the previous video, in order to drag down formulas, just select the field where you want to go and hit Control D. So, but do you notice something? There is no space between the first name and the last name. So concatenate formula, when you use it on its own, may not give you space, but there is a function that you can input into the formula to get the space. So equal to concatenate text1, comma. So how do you indicate space? You should, space is a character. Like you have to put it in a way that Excel understands that there is a space. So I selected the first text. Then I'm going to hit double quotation, space bar, double quotation, comma, and select the second text. Close the bracket. So what did I do differently? I selected the first name, comma. I put double quotations, space bar, double quotations, comma, and selected the last. So technically there are three different units or sections in this formula. One is the first name, second is the space, and third is the last. So this is how you can use concatenate to combine any values or formulas. You can use it for numbers, text, values, whatever. But there is another function also. So Excel, there will be multiple ways to get the desired out. So one is using concatenate, the other one is using the ampersand or the and symbol. So how am I going to do that? Equal to, I'm selecting the first name because I need it in the full name format. And I'm putting the ampersand sign. Then I'm selecting the second one and enter. So this gave me the same function as what the concatenate without space gave. Now I'm going to show you with space. Okay, so here equal to, select this name, and next I'm going to input space. So double quotation, space bar, double quotation, and last. So what I'm going to do is I'll just Control D and show. So what did I do differently? Instead of using comma, here the connecting symbol or function is the ampersand symbol. So equal to first name and double quotation, space bar, double quotation, and last name. So this is a very useful and an easy function that suppose you have examples where you need to combine first name, last name into full name. You can easily do this. So you can also use concatenate within other formulas to get to clear out huge data, to clean data, to get or to create a unique lookup value and all that. But that is all at the advanced level. So this time we looked at how can you combine text or values that are in different cells to one cell. You can use the concatenate formula or you can use the ampersand operation. So equal to concatenate, select the first name, comma, double quotation, space, double quotation, comma, and the last. The same way you can use it on with the ampersand or the and function, equal to first name and double quotation, space, double quotation, and then the last. So this is it about the how can you combine text or values in different cells into one cell. Thank you for watching. All of you have a good day.